We start with the headlines for this Sunday morning, the 4th of August, 2019. And we begin in Dayton, where 9 are dead and at least 16 injured in a second mass shooting in less than 24 hours in this country. It happened at 1 a.m. local time in the city's historic downtown Oregon district, home to a number of restaurants and entertainment spots. Police say the gunman was shot to death by responding officers in less than 1 minute. He's not yet been identified. The city's mayor, Nan Whaley, says the gunman was wearing body armor and carried a large, powerful rifle.
Well, this is a terribly sad day for our city. I am amazed by the quick response of Dayton police that saved literally hundreds of lives.
The Dayton shooting comes just hours after 20 people were killed after another mass shooting, this one in El Paso, Texas. Janet Shamlian has the latest.
But I heard do, 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 and then it went do, 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 do.
The sound of terror, a gunman opening fire in Walmart. These are surveillance pictures of the alleged suspect walking into the store, wearing sound-muffling headphones and carrying what's described as an AK-47 style rifle. Authorities say he's 21-year-old Patrick Crusius from Allen, Texas, near Dallas.
But needless to say, the scene is a horrific one.
Cell phone videos show panicked shoppers running from the scene. The store was packed when it happened just after 10:30 in the morning Saturday, many families shopping back-to-school sales. Authorities say Crusius was taken into custody without incident and was questioned by police, who say they found an anti-immigration manifesto online that may be his.
It has a nexus at this point in time to a hate crime. The FBI will be looking into that with the other federal authorities.
The Walmart is close to the border and attracts shoppers from Mexico. Authorities say their citizens are among the injured. The city sounded a call for blood donations, and within hours, there were long lines at hospitals everywhere.
And we're going to survive because that's who we're all. That's what we're about.
Police will update the investigation in a few hours as this Walmart remains an active crime scene, with many of the dead still inside. For Sunday Morning, I'm Janet Shamlian in El Paso.
The El Paso and Dayton shootings are the 21st and 22nd mass killings in the United States this year, according to the Associated Press.